Industrial machines often contain a wide variety of sheet metal parts. These can range from guarding to protect people and equipment, to brackets for mounting sensors and lighter weight components, to slides, hoppers and chutes to help guide product through the machine, and electrical enclosures. SOLIDWORKS provides a broad range of easy-to-use tools to enable you to quickly create and document these sheet metal parts. When building sheet metal parts, it can be very important to conform to company standards, and these standards can be enforced with the use of user-defined bend tables that control the available thickness, bend radii, and bend parameters. Creating sheet metal parts is simple. Sketch out the basic shape, and SOLIDWORKS adds the thickness and bend radii in the corners. Adding flanges is even easier. Just select an edge and drag it out. The size and shape of the flange can easily be manipulated, and additional geometry can be sketched in as well to complete the flange shape. The angle of the bend can easily be changed to suit your needs, and you have full control of the flange position to have the material inside or outside. Offsets can be added as well, which saves the step of having to pre-create a cut or tab. And this level of control is available in all of the sheet metal tools in SOLIDWORKS. Another command dedicated specifically to sheet metal parts is the jog command. Just draw a line across the tab, and SOLIDWORKS gives full control over the offset, its dimensioning scheme, and the position where the jog is bent. Hems are another important feature in sheet metal design, and with the dedicated hem tool can be created similar to flanges. Just select an edge, choose the type and size, and SOLIDWORKS takes care of the rest. Formed features such as ribs, lances, louvers, and vents are accomplished with a drag and drop. And the form tools can be standardized to minimize costly custom work required by the shop. When working with sheet metal parts, it is critical that you can easily extract an accurate flat pattern to be passed along to manufacturing or drawing documentation. And finally, SOLIDWORKS Costing provides you with an easy way to calculate how much a part will cost to manufacture. For sheet metal costing, it considers the material, thickness, sheet and lot size, then extracts the features from the part and itemizes the cost of each using customizable costing templates. Gaining insight into the production cost of your designs is critical to maximize company profitability, and this is especially important for industrial machine builders who often create one-off machines. Design and manufacture of sheet metal parts is an important requirement for companies who make industrial machinery. And these are just a few of the extensive set of easy-to-use sheet metal tools that SOLIDWORKS provides to meet these design needs and make creating the downstream deliverables for manufacturing a breeze.